Little floaty. Little feral flower. Hell no, it's too small.
Do you want a picture of him or anything for your video?
Oh, he's on video anyway. Hello, flathead. You're small and you're feral. Thank you. Must be the famous motor oil ones working today. Floodies are number 2. Look at that. Well, they're out there. Must be small floody day. Now, get me rag. Oh, thank you.
Self-release.
I'll wait till he stops wiggling. Slow down, fuck ya. Thank you. Yeah, he's cooking.
Isn't that funny? It's just a matter of changing.
Here we go. Yeah, freaking see you later. Yes. He's on fire today.
Still ain't small, but ready?
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Floaty Central.
Oh, he's bigger.
That's a bit bigger. Ah, it's not a keeper. It's pushing it. It's all right. Now let's.
Sure. Yeah, because I've got all the gear up here.
All right then.
Maybe.
Rod straight in the water.
Straight in the water. That's the thing I do. Isn't it? Right, I got it. Okay.
I'll just rinse it out when you get home.
It's coming in.
All right, I'll be moving spots for next. I think we're just about here. You're cleaning up the floodies today. You know those friggin' floodies today? That's 3. It's on video.
There he is.
Little one. All right. Friggin', there you go. Friggin' dog day. All right, hang on. I got something. Finally. That's reasonable. Where is it? I'm used to pulling up stuff on the other rods, so I know how it feels. This one's a bit more of a dodge. Dodge. That is a keeper floating. Yeah, I got it. I got it. No, just let me just see what they got first. Because sometimes these things are way more feral than what they look. Yeah, it's a tailor. Pesky fucking tailor. If you want, it's a big one, but if you want to use it. I don't know. This rod is a little hard to predict the size of the fish. That, I almost can. This I can't. I'll flicker on the side of the job. Bream. He's not a keeper. At least I know that's what I look for. There we go. Looking for those bastards today. Here we go. There we go. That's decent size. Come on, come on. Now just let me deal with it. It's all right.
I'll get the net ready for you.
Let me deal with it.
Get the net ready for you so it's out of the way. Scoop it you if you want. I'll just get the net ready.
You just fucking take him. Motherfucker. Yes, Lane Cove special. Top horse and a half. Hang on, hang on, hang on. There we go. Yes, Lane Cove horse, thank you. Big lumps out, but look good. There we go. On the lure.
If you want to keep him, keep him. If you don't,
Probably a keeper actually. Yep. It's floating. There's a floating sitting there. I don't think it's very big. Feels heavy. Another fly, yeah, that's a almost straight up in the net.
it's pretty big actually.
Yeah, that's a decent sized fish. River donkey. Oh, I don't know, river donkey. Could be hard to say. It's sort of feral, but not feral, and half feral and reasonable size actually. Let's have a look. Yeah, another decent sized bream. He's a foot. Oh, he's actually not quite big enough. But anyway. Yep. Hey. Possibly, yeah. Real reasonable actually. Actually, not reasonable. What are you? What are are you? Ah, another floody. Wolf. Floodies. Chuck this one back. Good enough. Hello, dog. Oh yeah, got some on. What was the thing about yellowtail? Ah, it's a floody easy. So what's your bait line? Doesn't get tangled. Yep, not a dog. Wolf. Very bloody. Ah, he's there for the moment. Chuck it back anyway. There you go. Probably met him.
I'll wear him down a bit first, alright?
Oh, it's up to you.
Get him in, get a picture of him. Try and get him not too easy. Looks like he's got a that was just you. That wasn't jigging at the current.
Let's just go back anyway.
You know, we're going to put him through that complete there.
Yep. Keep off away from the snag in the middle there, and away from the wharf, because that's where he's going.
Oh yeah, he's not stupid, mate. Oh, that was way out the back.
Yep. Got it. Don't know. Fucking decent sized flatty. But I'll tell you know, I've got enough.
Yeah, but you want a picture of him?
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, all right, settle down.